Hi, Lisa. Sorry to bother you, but more samples came.
Thanks, Grace. Please put them in the freezer.
Well, the freezer is completely full. You need to get these processed. Isn't your report due soon?
Don't remind me, I'm so far behind. The plate reader is broken, Emily is out on maternity leave, and Josh left the lab because of his promotion.
Oh no. Can you get a temp? Or maybe send it to a contract research organization?
I don't have time to train a temp. Putting together the protocols for a CRO and getting approvals also takes time that I don't have.
Hey, I just received a brochure from Biovision. Did you know that they offer custom services?
That could be a solution. We order a lot of kits from Biovision, and they always work well. Biovision's experience could be helpful, especially with some of our more challenging samples. Wait, Biovision probably doesn't have the kit we need.
Yeah, I bet they do. There are over 1,000 kits. You might even be able to get more data from these great samples we collected. They can even split samples and run extra assays.
I'm going to call Biovision right now.
Save time and FTE with new assay services from Biovision. We use the same kits that we develop for our customers. Protocols are all conveniently available online, so you can easily bring your work back in-house.